We need a 12-inch wreath frame. It's wire, silver, white, blue, and red. A book to tear up. AdTech Project Pro mini size glue gun with the crystal clear glue sticks. And then I also have a lot of extra glue sticks because this project takes many glue sticks to use. So we're using the crystal clear premium bond glue sticks for multi-purpose projects. First thing we're gonna do is tear the pages of the book out so we can use them for our wreath. We also need some brushes because we will be painting the pages. So I have some bowls prepared as well to make everything easier to use. Grab our paint with some water, just mix it in. So this hot glue gun came with 6 little glue sticks, which are awesome, and it's a mini size, so perfect for my hands. The cable's all tied all nicely, and I love the color and the ease. It is very easy than the other ones that are out in the marketplace. First, what you're gonna do is take the short side, long side, horizontal. The short side to the long side. And that's it. And you'll just keep repeating. And then we'll have a whole bunch of them. And I like to keep them together in cones. So put together. And we have all of our petals all organized, and now we can start making our wreath. So fold it about the size of our knuckle, put some glue down. The first outside row. Now we'll begin doing the inside row, and I'll do the exact same thing, except this time we'll fold it even more than that. Maybe we'll do that plus that, because you want them to go in. And then we will glue it to the paper that is touching, and we'll work our way around. So 2 of those, so my whole thumb. Fold it and put it right next to it. And then we'll figure out which one touches. And that. Obviously, we need more hot glue. Put it in. Now we have our 3rd row on the inside. Folding it now the size of our thumb. glue down and then glue it to the back side and hold them together. This is the finished wreath. Now we have our 4th of July wreath in a dahlia form, repurposing book pages, painting red, white, and blue and some glitter, and a sparkly ribbon. Doesn't it